What's up guys? So there is a very awesome update in Mafia City and it's in the Battle Pass. Season Conquest Season 2 Westworld, and now in the Battle Pass you don't get only one golden renegade. Instead of that you're getting a choice between 3. So now you can choose between Celeste, Ramona and Devilry, and that's a very awesome thing. I was just thinking why they have not done this already, because if you're in Season Conquest, you already went through Season 1, 2, 3. So you should be able to get these renegades already. Suppose that if you don't play Season 2 or Season 1 and you want to get Ramona or Celeste, then you need to go back to the season in order to get them through Battle Pass. Otherwise, it's going to be very difficult for you to obtain them. So I think they should have implemented this already, but whatever, now they have done this already and this is a great thing. With this we have a question guys, which is the best Battle Pass renegade? And I know you're going to say it's going to be Devilry. She's getting a lot of kills, there's no doubt about her that she's the best Battle Pass renegade, and I agree and disagree with you at the same time. I don't think it's as simple as you think, because there are a lot of details in this renegade that you need to take a look, and I'm going to explain you why. And you have to be very careful on what you want to choose, because depending upon what troops you're playing, this renegade can really affect the battle outcome. So let's talk about them. Let's just get through Devilry. I just want to clear this stuff already. So about Devilry guys, if you are a biker player and you need an offensive renegade, there is no doubt that Devilry is going to be the best biker renegade for you, especially from the Battle Pass. She's getting a lot of renegade kills after the nerf. She's still getting some decent renegade kills. So if you're a biker player and if you don't have any primary renegade like Megalodon or Nereus or Gyre, I think Devilry will be the best option for you. If you already have a primary renegade like Megalodon or Nereus, then I think Devilry will not be the best option for you, because if you will take a look at her renegade guide, you can see that she's a pure technique renegade. She cannot be used as a protection renegade or physique renegade, so she's just made for offensive purpose. You need to use other renegade with her that is going to be doing that protection, that is going to come in slot 2 or slot 3. So if you are not planning to use her in slot 1, then there is no point for you to use her in slot 2 or slot 3, because there are other renegades that are going to be a lot better. She's only one dimensional renegade, there is no other chance for her. So that's why even though she's very strong, I think she's not that well balanced. Now let's talk about other two. Ramona is also very similar to Devilry. Instead of being pure offensive, Ramona is pure defensive. So if you will take a look at her renegade guide, she's pure protection or a physique renegade. And if you're going to use her in protection mode or physique mode, she's going to do great. But if you're going to use her in technique, she's not going to give you a lot of kills. Yes, she will still give you some decent kills, but if you want an offensive renegade, then why just not get Devilry? She's going to do a lot better in this. And if you're a bulker player, you need to watch this video even further, because I will give you even better choice. Now let's talk about Celeste guys. She's great for all types of player. If you are playing biker, shooter or bulker, she can be used for all purpose. She can be used as a offensive renegade, she can be used as a defensive renegade. You can pretty much use her however you like. In my eyes, Celeste will be the best choice for you. If you already have a primary renegade as a shooter player or as a bulker player, I will suggest you to get her. She's going to give you a lot of kills. This will be my opinion about which is the best Battle Pass renegade for you according to your stats. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next. Peace.